It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I went from Christmas to fall. And actually, now I'm going to talk about spring and summer again. So it was kind of interesting. And I totally agree with this. So I was getting a lot of comments on my Christmas candle video that we seem to have completely just skipped over late summer. And we have. It is still today, summer, September 17th. We're still in summer. And I totally get it that a lot of the summer scents and the spring scents from Bath and Body Works were so good this year. Is it time to put them away, or can you enjoy them in late September? And of course, the answer is absolutely enjoy the scents in late September. It's really hard as a YouTuber sometimes because everybody wants to see what's coming next, which is always about like a season or two ahead. And then we tend to forget about what's going on in the current season we're in. So, for example, I think it's supposed to be like 80 degrees here next Saturday, which I'm actually excited about. It did get a little bit too cold too quickly for me. And as much as I love fall and Halloween, because you know I do, I actually went through my collection this afternoon and I found a bunch of scents that I'm going to totally kind of weave into my September. So I thought I'd share this with you. Are you ready? Okay, number one, I brought out Underwater Oasis again. This one was so good. Sparkling Bergamot, Jasmine, and Blue Musk. I gotta say, I really like this in the body care. It's got a nice, fresh, watery, fruity scent. It totally works year-round. I mean, if you're someone who likes these scents, this is going to be a year-round scent for you. It's pretty unisex, too. By the way, these are in no particular ranking order. It was too hard to rank these. I was like, there's no way I can rank these. But that is a good one. Next up, Whipped Coconut Milkshake. I swear, this felt like 100 years ago. We had whipped coconut milkshake, which is vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. And you know what? This is totally a good scent for September. It's the coconut. It's the toasted caramel, the vanilla. I don't know. This one smells really good to me right now. There's no caramel in here, but I swear it smells like caramel to me. I love this one a lot. It's funny because oftentimes, like I said, Bath and Body Works these days is just running through the seasons and we have so many scents. I even forgot about a couple of these. I'm like, wait a minute, really? I didn't remember we had this one. I did pull out Bonfire Bash again. This one came out 4th of July. Was that last year or the year before? We really need the Bonfire Bash back, Bath and Body Works. I don't know where it is, but bring it out because this scent is really, really missing this fall. I know so many people who are wanting Bonfire Bash. I want to know where it is. Love Always Wins. This was from the Pride collection. It's wonderful. Golden Starfruit, fresh coconut water, and cedarwood heart. This is a nice unisex scent that's perfect for right now if you like those like rich, fruity cedar scents. This one is beautiful. I love the packaging too. Okay, next up, Tropical Fresh Jungle Rain. Oh yeah. So this one is Rain-Kissed Palms, Amazon Dragon Fruit, and Misty Breeze. Now in Florida right now, you guys aren't even close to being in fall, like at all. It's funny. I think because I'm in Ohio, and anyone from like the Northeast, we do get a little overly excited about fall early because, I mean, the trees are changing. Oh, this smells good. I would totally wear this in September. It's funny. I kind of went back and forth on Fresh Jungle Rain, and then it just kind of like blossomed on me. I like it though. Good September scent. I like that. Okay. Cotton Candy Clouds. Who doesn't like cotton candy like year-round? This is totally a year-round scent. This has been around so much. It's sugar upon sugar upon sugar. And oh my gosh. You know, I'm really enjoying this video. It's funny. these scents are smelling so good to me. It's always good to like switch up your seasons. Oh boy. Midnight Blue Citrus. This is another one that really grabbed me this summer, and I felt like it was only like promoted at Bath and Body Works for like a week. Juicy citrus, fresh sparkling water, and sweet mango. It is absolutely beautiful. This would make a really nice like scent in Florida. I mean, it's probably like 90 degrees right now in Florida. Little sweet mango. I am like all over this one. I think this is going to be my 80-degree weather scent next year. Packaging is gorgeous. So definitely pull out your Midnight Blue Citrus. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ice lemon pound cake. Oh yeah, if you want to smell like someone poured lemon bars all over your head. I do love this one. It is intense though. I mean, this one smells like straight up lemon bars, but you know, it's a fall scent. I don't totally fall. Same thing with the sweet petal pound cake, which initially I wasn't on board with. This one's kind of grown on me. It does have a little bit of a spring vibe, but you know what? If you like that rosy sweetness, bring it out. It's funny because not everyone loves pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and clove in fall. Actually, my girlfriend hates cinnamon. It's like her least favorite scent. And I know she's not digging any of these fall scents. Poolside Cabana. This one is the Crisp Pear, Warm Breeze, and Solar Sandalwood. Yeah, this one is delightful. If you like that little bit, it smells like lime. I swear this is iced pear margarita. I get the lime in here, but this is a really nice fruity scent. Smells wonderful. Pull out your Among the Clouds. This is another one that's great. This is the Wildberry Skies with Vanilla Clouds. This is the one that came out in the spring. Perfectly good scent for, where's the hole? Perfectly good scent for fall. If you like the raspberry and the vanilla, this is a good one. Oh my goodness. Firecracker Pop, our cherry scent from summer. Red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. Bring it on. You know what? You can wear this year round. This is totally amazing. If you just want a really good burst of cherry in your life. You know, sometimes I often like tell people, arrange your scents not by season, but by like scent notes. So put all your cherry scents together, put all your pear scents together, regardless of season, because then like say you're just in the mood for cherry, pick one. It doesn't matter what season it's from. Gingham Vibrant. This is the Wild Blackberries, Candied Violets, and Soft Vanilla. I know a lot of you love the florals so much. And this is a year-round floral. I mean, this is a perfume that you can wear no matter what time of year. It's going to smell good in the fall. I don't think any of the scents that I picked today smell dated at all. Like, no one's going to go, oh my gosh, you smell like, you know, spring or summer. In the fall, you're just going to smell good. Cactus Blossom. Not my favorite, but this is a great late fall scent. Cactus Flower Petals, Sunkissed Coconut, Fresh Sparkling Lemon. A lot of people love this one, and this has got like a beautiful dryness to it that's going to go all the way into December. This is a great scent. It does not smell particularly spring or summer. And then the final one, which actually does smell like summer to me, is At the Beach. But you know what? It's funny. I have a friend who loves At the Beach. And yeah, bring it on. You are at the beach right now. There's no reason you can't be at the beach. I went to the beach yesterday. I love the beach. At the beach. So I just kind of wanted to like pull it back a little bit because I know myself. I get overly excited about Christmas, of course. But it is a little bit of a problem now. Like I said, the Bath & Body Works is now bringing out, oh my gosh, I want to say at least 50 to 75 new scents per season. And it does get a little bit confusing as to like which one goes through which season. I say throw it out the window. If you want to wear Cactus Blossom in January, go for it. If you want to wear At the Beach in November and it's your scent, go for it. So I'd like to tell people, like, don't get caught up in the seasons. I know, like, I always get excited. I just get excited for new stuff. Like, oh, I just get excited for What Candy Apple, even though it's not new. I'm excited for any of the new Christmas stuff. And there are certain scents that just resonate with me at Christmas, but Midnight Blue Citrus, I will totally wear this like year round. I have like a basket that I switch out like, frequently, that I'll just, grab scents. I usually tend to wear a different scent every day, honestly. And sometimes I do a switch where I wear a scent in the morning and then I'll wear another one in the afternoon, because I have literally on that bookshelf, it's like just like this in our bedroom. I probably have about 500 fine fragrance mists on that shelf. And let me tell you, I go through all different scents all the time. So, welcome back to summer. It's funny, is it Saturday? Is it Sunday? Is it summer? Is it fall? It's all mixed up today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and let me know your favorite summer scent to wear right now. I'm just curious what everyone thinks. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.